Hi friends, how are you? 2 days ago or 3 days ago, I started thinking about a strategy that helps beginners, really beginners in affiliate marketing, to get their first conversions and get this motivation, this push to go and scale up their work and start working online. So what I did simply that 3 days ago I put myself instead of you as a beginner. You don't have any skills, almost no skills. You can't spend any dollar online and you want to start with affiliate marketing. So I created this full case study. And to be honest with you, when I applied the strategy, I expected results in like 3 weeks or maybe 4 weeks. But I was shocked. I got 2 conversions from the first 48 hours. So this made me publish the video somehow early to show you this result. Maybe it can give you some motivation to really go and work hard today and copy this strategy in your own way and make your first conversions from the first week maybe or first 2 weeks. So stay tuned and don't forget, in this video we have a $50 cash giveaway. The only condition is to watch this video till the end to see how you can join this giveaway. So stay tuned and follow up with me in this really awesome video. Welcome everyone, I'm Hassan from Educate, and today I'm really so excited to share with you this case study. I will share with you everything, how I thought about the strategy, what is the idea behind it, how did I apply it, and everything else. And what's nice about this strategy, that I got only few clicks on my links and I got some conversions. And I analyzed the results and I concluded 2 factors helped me get this conversion really too fast. So I will share with you also these factors so you can get the idea, paste in your mind and then apply in your own way to get and start your own affiliate marketing business online. So let's stop wasting time and start together in this strategy. But before, if you like to watch more videos like this about affiliate marketing, online business, digital marketing, making money online and much more, please don't forget, subscribe now to my channel and turn on notifications, and please like the video to help me, to support me publish more and more videos like this. So let's start together. What is this affiliate marketing strategy? So what I did simply is I published an article on my blog. Don't worry, I will show you now everything. Just focus with me well, it's very important to understand how things work. The article will promote multiple affiliate products. In my case, I chose 2 products, and you will see why I chose 2 in a little bit. It's very important also. So you create an article promoting multiple products in the same article, and simply you get traffic to this article. Now you may tell me I don't have a website. Don't worry, you can start one now in blogger.com. I explained this before. I will show you this in a little bit also. So this is simply a strategy, is creating an article promoting multiple products. So let's see this on my blog. You can see here is my blog educate.com and this is the article. You see it? I got only 29 views. So it's really a new article I published like 3 days ago only. I published it just for this strategy, by the way, just for affiliate marketing. What is this article about? Is a comparison. Please memorize this. Please focus well. It's a comparison between 2 products, Sendinblue and GetResponse. Both are email marketing services. So just think about it well. Anyone who is coming to this article, what do he expect? And what his goal is? It's simply to know which product to choose, which one to buy. You see this? This is the mentality. This is the psychology behind this article. You are comparing 2 products, and when someone reads the article, his goal is to buy, is to choose between them. You see this? Let's open this article. I will open it to show you just live in front of you. So here is the article. Again, you can see only 29 views. I get 2 conversions. It's really amazing. I was shocked. But I will tell you now why this happened. You can see now Sendinblue VS versus GetResponse. So you can see all the way I am linking to those services. You see all the way I linking this, and this is my affiliate link, by the way. So this is the comparison, blah blah blah, you can see here. And also at the end, when you want to decide which one to choose, I added these two buttons. You can see, click here to start Sendinblue for free, and get here, get response for free. So whatever you choose between Sendinblue or get response, he will subscribe to the affiliate product I am promoting. So this is the power of this article, the mentality, the psychology behind it. So now what you have to do is to think about an article that compares two products, and both are affiliate products. You are promoting them. So whatever the user choose, you will get paid. You will get a conversion. You see how things work? In my case, I subscribe to Sendinblue and get response. Now you may tell me I don't have skills in writing such comparisons and reviews. Do you know what I did? Simply, I went to Google, really like this. I went to Google, I said, Sendinblue vs get response, like this, simply. And I went down, and you can see here I have this article here and this one. So simply, I think this one, yeah. I got this article, the same one, you see, and I wrote it in my own words. I just rewrote this article. If you want, as a beginner, you can start with the same article, it's okay. But because I am publishing on my blog and I want to publish only unique content, I wrote the article from scratch. So it's up to you. Yes, it's better to rewrite in your own words. But anyway, as a beginner, you can start by using the same article. So you can get this article, the same article, and go to a website called Blogger, blogger.com. Or you can go to WordPress, by the way, .com and start with a free plan. Or maybe go to Wix.com and start with a free plan. Or maybe go to Google Sites and create a free website on Google Sites. We have a lot of options. You don't need to pay anything, by the way. So this is the Google site. You can create a new site here, click on plus, and you can see we have this web page here. You can add images, you can add text, buttons, whatever you want. You can add. I don't think this is complicated. I don't want to waste my time now in creating a web page. I will create later full videos on how to create websites. But for now, I want to concentrate on the strategy. So create the website, maybe using Wix, maybe using WordPress.com, sign up for a free account, maybe using Blogger. I explained Blogger in one of my videos before. You can check it step by step how you can create articles and publish on Blogger totally for free. So you write this article on a web page, okay? And you have this web page. Now step 2 is promoting the article, is getting traffic, is targeting the right people who are really looking to know which is better and to buy the best one between them. That's simple. This is I repeat it always, this is the psychology behind this strategy. This article, this type of articles, comparison between two products, and you are targeting the correct people who is coming, obviously you will have a higher percentage of conversions. So this is factor number 1, I think, I concluded behind the strategy, that this type of articles, by its structure, can have higher conversion rates. So you get an article, comparison between two products. If you want, you can start with the same strategy. It's up to you. But I really prefer to do something that you know about, maybe something you love, anything you want. So to have an idea, maybe you get some comments on the blog, you want to follow up with people and so on. It's up to you anyway. Just get the idea now, the strategy, get it. Get two products, affiliate products, sign up for the affiliate program. Like in my case, if you go here, I am signed up to Get Response. You can see to the affiliate recurring program. So by the way, the conversion I got here in Get Response, let's see it. You can see one sale, it's recurring. So every month now I will earn this commission. And you can go to Sendinblue now and you can see now in October 1, I got this conversion. By the way, what's nice about Sendinblue, also get this important point. If you go here to conversions in my dashboard, What's nice about Sendinblue, it gives you commission on a full account creation. So when someone create an account on Sendinblue using your link, a full approved account, you will earn 5 euros. So it's about like $7 or $8. You see this? I know these numbers is not that big deal. You know, I am honest with you. I don't tell you you will make thousands of dollars from the first month. You know me, you are following me, you know that I don't lie to you. I tell you everything honestly. But the idea is, in this case study, if you can get your first couple of conversions from the first month using this strategy, you can make like $50 or $100. This will be your budget to scale up, maybe to create a professional website, to maybe to run some paid ads, to test things and so on. So in this strategy, you can start from zero without paying anything, promoting these affiliate products and make money following the exact same strategy. As I told you, in my case, I am subscribed to GetResponse affiliate program. I will keep all the links in the description below, by the way. You can just check them. And you can see also the Sendinblue. It's also an email marketing company. So get 2 products, create an article about this product, comparison between them, and promote the products. Okay, now you can see I got only, as I told you, only 30 views on this article. So please don't tell me, don't give excuses. It's only 30 views. I got them really from Quora, as I explained before. Just go to Quora, please. Some of you contacted me before, like 2 days ago, and told me I applied the strategy, I tried Quora, but I didn't get any traffic. When I ask them how much hours you spent on Quora or how much time you tried it, they tell me 1 week or maybe 2 weeks, working 1 hour a day, answering 3 questions. Friend, just do some hard work. If you want to be successful online, there are only 2 factors for this: patience and hard work. When I say hard work, I don't mean to work 10 hours a day. No, it may be only 1 hour, but just put your passion and really work from your heart. Don't just copy and paste and enter the links and so on. No, try to do some really work. Try to think, use your mind, use your brain. So in Quora, just go and search for these products. So, or maybe as an example, best email marketing services. This is what exactly I did. I'm telling you what I did. Now, in your case, it may be products related to, I don't know, to mental health, to maybe diet or whatever. So it depends. Just go and search for questions related to the products you are promoting. You can see like, what are the best email marketing service providers? So simply I can post my answer here. So simply you can open these questions and answer them and link to your article, not to your affiliate link, to your article. Just copy the URL of the article and paste it here. Why Quora again in this video, in this strategy? Why Quora? Simply because people who are asking about these products want an answer, want a solution. It's not like just pasting links on Facebook or whatever anywhere. No, on Quora, people want answers, want solutions. So those who are clicking on the links and reading the blog, they really want to know which is better. They want to know this. So when they read and decide which one, there's really a good chance to buy the product and you will earn the commission. So that's simple how this strategy works. This is exactly what happened to me. Again, publish an article about 2 or more products. Do a comparison between them on the article. You can go with Blogger, with WordPress free account, with Wix.com, with Google Sites. Just create the article. You can rewrite it. It's better to rewrite it and then promote it on Quora or wherever you want. As I explained in my full video about promoting affiliate links, you can also check it how to get traffic to affiliate links in the description below. Also, I explained in detail, step by step. I don't want to waste your time now again and again. I have this video on my channel here. You can go now and watch the video about step by step promoting a product, affiliate product on Quora. I showed you everything in detail. You can go there, watch the video and start the strategy today. I know like 90% of you now will not even start the strategy, will not even try this. Simply because they are lazy, they want to waste their time on Facebook and on YouTube. Go now, please. Be from that 10% who will try to apply the strategy at least for 2 or 3 or maybe 4 weeks, and you really have a high chance to be successful in the strategy than to scale up and start your online business. And by the way, later on, I will show you how I will promote the same article using paid advertising on Facebook, on Quora ads, and with native ads. I will create 3 strategies showing you how to run paid advertising to promote articles and promote and get earnings and get commissions with affiliate marketing. So please stay tuned and subscribe now to my channel and turn notifications to get every new update. Now it's time to announce the giveaway. As I told you, we have a $50 giveaway in this video. If you want to join, simply like the video and comment down below, I am in the giveaway between brackets, affiliate marketing new strategy. That's simple. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please, if you have any questions, tell me about it in the comments below. If you have any doubts, anything you want to clarify, if you tested this, please share the results with us so you can help other people. If you have any ideas, any suggestions, tell us about it in the comments below. And I want to tell you the last thing before I end this video. You can see here I got only 29 views, okay? Let's say I didn't get conversions. I will say now we didn't get anything. But just imagine that you are getting hundreds of views, thousands of views when you work really hard on Quora and using my other techniques to promote affiliate links I explained in detail. Please check the video. Please learn. I explained everything. Just watch the videos and start applying and getting traffic. Just imagine we have like 1,000 or 2,000 views or 3,000 views like my other articles here. Do you know how much conversions you will make? You will make at least like $500 or $600, and you can really start your online business. You have the budget to start and scale up your work. Thank you for following, and see you in the upcoming video.